Me a 32-year-old. Next year come, God spare me sinful life, me a 33. Me a 32-year-old. Next year come, my Father God spare me sinful life, me gonna be 33. I two things in life, me not seek a validation, I'm not seek acceptance. Me not seek validated, I'm not seek acceptance. I'm gonna walk and tell a lie. Me no walk and tell lie. Remember one time, me and one girl now want argument at the day of courthouse. And me never go tell no lie. You know how me win the case? The way me don't talk the judge say nothing you said to me, nothing what you said to me cannot prove you innocent. It's when me don't talk the judge say to me, say nothing what me Rosealee say can't prove my innocent. You know what make me beat the case? She was the aggressor in the case. I get down to the grave, man. I gotta blow my nose. Wait. I pass the butler page. The damn fuck page, I pass him. When I pass the butler page and damn fuck, me see him post up the party on him page and post up the party on him page, you know. And the things them. So what me I say is when you come post up the party on your page, it make it seem like me a liar down. Don't it? Don't it? When you come post up the blood clot party on your blood clot page, it make me seems like me a liar, don't it? That's what kill in the blood clot in here. How you gonna talk about a lot of things? See the sugar and spice and see it here. Sugar and spice and see it here. Alright. I me send feet out of my fridge. You never did that, eh? So when you come now, you post up and page me and say some of them people here, especially look at Dottie back there. Him do these things, him come on the internet. I don't know what is wrong with the internet they want to prove. Like me and the pan want to and from the internet. I see it on the page, you know. When you post up on your page, you prove as if you did dead there. I never say you weren't. What I said was, at the time when the cake for cut, it was never there and you were never there. You went away. Go pick up your girl. So, I tell you these things, you know, I don't know why. I don't know why I always dropping at the hands of these fucking people that is lying, wicked and evil. And I always want you to look bad. Listen to what me I say no chat. The man buy the case of Chubby. One case of trouble the man buy. The man send the cake on my yard. The man go away. Go pick up one little slim maga fly blow girl. Him go away. I say in the process when he left, I did up on my life and I left my life and go on them never beard. Him was the one who made and put on clothes. But girl, you got to look about jumping that trampoline and picking around there. What I was basically saying is, at your picnic party, you should have left for going away to pick up the girl. Deal with him first, they got to pick up a girl after. Batty boy, when I come on the internet and go like a open cake, I miss send for the cake out of my fridge. That's why it's still in there. I miss send illet for the cake out of my fridge. I me tell you, you're not light it till you come. So I don't know what you post up and I put. I eat me want to talk about today. The lies and the deceits of people and what them do, what them do, when them do, what them do, and so what them say them do like them, I do it and I say it. And I'm sure I can hide them. And I eat more to talk about today. You go where? Me have to ring down your phone. And me tell you don't like the cake. And you put on them shoes. And me tell you don't like the cake. He left. I'm going to pick up one little maga chick girl. And me ask to myself, say, are you picking the birthday? And you don't even ensure, say, you do the party good and done, you have to leave and go away. Me never properly dress, so I never want to go in at the makings. And you put up a big father blood clot sitting on it like you're done. I'm going to spend 200,000. I know you don't spend $100,000. Because I want to look to the reciting at the blood clot fridge there. Chat when I go around there, I see him. I said, where's the juice and where's the water? One case of trouble in by. I go up the road. I call him and ask him them up the road. When I go up the road, I purchase one other small back case of juice and one bottle of water must about. One case of water must hold about 24. When I go up the road, go buy one case of juice and one case of water hold 20 blood clot for. Let me slow down. Hold 20 blood clot for. You understand? Alright. When I come back down the road now, when I look 10:30, time I boil down, I say, where you there? Just so forward. I say, hey, you pick the party, ensure the little boy cut the cake. Ensure the little boy cut the blood clot cake. And me look for you say, you don't cut the cake until him come. Come on, one and parent them present. And you know where your blood clot do? Come on the internet, come post a picture like say well and say you never walk away. Like what? Okay. I shut my mouth. Me say unruly. Unruly. It was 30 servings of popcorn and snow cone. I order it. And when the popcorn and snow cone done, the cake not cut yet. The popcorn and the snow cone yama before the cake cut. When me look on the table, the cake not up on the table. When me call the look of suck pussy batty boy, him say, what the cake there? Him go ask him, brother. Him know what the cake there. Then him say, go look in your fridge. So I say, hey, when you come in my house, go put cake in my blood clot fridge. And most of cause when them ill me send for the blood clot cake. The cake never dip on the blood clot table. I me send for. I me send ill for the blood clot cake. And you come on social media and post like say, you never go for your big pussy girl and that. But I'm telling the people them around me, who just irritate my blood clots. Because you know what? Who just can't be trusted and everything comes out just look like a lie, me I tell. That burn me. That burn me. It burn me. Because I don't only live for the net. Me not fi bumbo pussy blood clot come over this pussy clot ya. But come sit down and stand fine. Nobody forget that if you want money gun. Who have it we put and who have it as said go. That's why me different from all I want. Yeah. Cause I don't need to lie. Me a big long time 32-year-old blood clot woman. Who ever sing cast the first two? Me stay true to my blood clot self. A fourth time I breathe and damn two belly. Me no walk and tell blood clot lie. He said if you say something, me can't say you say it. If you do something, me can't say you do it. He said me do something, I say something, me can't say it or do it. That has to be a blood clot reason. Me not look people on my side. You understand me? I say me not look people on my side. Me say in a one case of trouble, look about him boy, but in the middle of the party, him go away. Me a ring down in blood clot for me say where you the all him brother will come from Canada call him. Bro, where are you? Me so forward. Mr. Jakes, all of you keep party for kids and all the food for sure you gonna left it. And when Jakes come back with the blood clot, girl, him do that video there. Him never did round there. Long enough. And me send for the cake. And me I say, like how me no well properly dressed, me not gonna really stand up there because one man did that with one live. It pissed me off too. Cause one man did that with one live. I me no want to go to the camera, me know me not properly dressed. Cause me no want to class, but say the Rose couldn't go beard. So me never go in a blood clot camera. You never did blood clot round there. You go for your big pussy girl. I wanna come back and do that. So me no know why you hey, me I tell us. This a blood clot. Yeah, me know. What's a special about the belief over here? So when him post that no chat, he make me look like me an idiot. I'm gonna know what me I say. When him post that now, he make him look like me an idiot. I'm gonna know what I say. But you know what I'm sorry say? You see the night when me a liberty you and I tell her for mind your blood clot pick to them. The girl never left from up where they and come down with me, they come argue with me. If she did think what she blood clot name and she bad, left from up where she they come argue with me in my community. Make I show what time they have my blood clot phone. Cause since you like chat, and you like come prove something to the stinking people them. Make sure they left come in an argument with me. You go for the big pussy girl because she were more interested in your blood clot pick the party. People come ask you for blood clot just a one case of trouble your blood clot by. Did the coroner you pay for? So when you post, did the coroner you pay for? A 70,000 for the decor. John Crow. I see the plate of food I carry from the party and the next day I dash it away. In front of you when they cross the road. But throw it blood clot. Come on want to pies me. So when you come by here, go like say, well then say me I eat that as something me eat. I don't need to fucking lie. It's when people deserve for flowers to throw them, give them. I stay real and true to myself at all time. And that's why I'm not like hypocrite. Cause I say, me say you say something you can't own it up, me no want a friend from you. Own up with your blood clot. Say. Cause when I say something you can't own it, blood clot the fuck up. Me a big, long time, 32-year-old blood clot woman. Anything when I do in a blood clot life, me can't own that shit. Me can't own it. So if you tell me something, you can't say yes, your sister, me no want a blood clot friend for you. Me can't own up when me blood clot say. Me a big blood clot long time or. Oh. Me used to sell pussy when me feel like come on for this in a seminar request. But do I want to get to my blood clot brains? Me a long time old blood clot or. And told me no, me can't own it, blood clot, and say me do it. I'm afford my reason why I do it. Me can't say me settings and me can't say me do things. Me a long time blood clot or. Trio, I said the boy go for the girl and carry the girl come. To prove a point. And in the makings, me I say that piss me up, I say you pick the party. You can't go for your girl. Why would I care girl? Come even when I say to Musso. Musso say Rose, Musso say Joe never me. Jojo could ramp with me them the way they. I true me don't want him, I hold it down, because I want to lick the girl in her blood clot. You never did blood clot, no, Jex? I want to say to something, I don't want to lick the girl in her blood clot face. I'll show you what time it is. I just come and say me a holy blood clot down. I make you and your mom and the rest of you swarm me like bees. I just come and say me a holy down. Because I believe the girl in her face. The people are going to say, oh, me obsessed over you. And that I'm going to lick her in her face. I'm going to say what you are doing. Worse should not come in the present. What you are doing, girl? I lick more lick her across her face. But it's true. It's true. Me don't want nobody to say me a war if I am a war. I'm going to leave it. Come on, lick you, more lick she, and when you come here, you have it out. You never know. Me die for the day me and Jakes have it out. Me I pray for the day me and have it out. You never know. Yeah. Like when me get all a chair and die for you come. You never know. Because me I say, true, me no want him go say, him me a war over, me just keep my peace. In case one of my man them pass through. Yeah. Because what? The whole of blood clot, oh no. Me not like when people take me for idiot. Me not like when people take me for idiot. I'm notice, you know, hours I take me for blood clot mascot. Some look a masquerade. And the worstest thing in my life, I when they sit down and take me for idiot. I know you take me for idiot. So I don't know it's okay, but I know say you're really tired of me for idiot. I don't like it, because I don't use people. Me can't drive. For sure you say, oh, me honest in a life with people. That's why I never fluctuate. Me can't drive. Me cannot drive. And if me beg up one of my friend them, go on my car and camera got half a tree. Remember say, me I buy a lunch, I remember so I reach home, I put money in my pocket and say go buy something. That is who I am. Me not use people. Period. Yeah. Cause me not like I'm just not blood clot like you. And then I someone tell him a voice note, the phone I'm ring it and tell you before you hear run table talk with my name. That's what I say for me young. Me not chat among group and peers. Yeah. If you hear someone say something, you ask me, can't tell him, me say it. I can't tell him, if me say it, me can't say, yeah, me say it. And why me blood clots is so? Who the fuck here? If me go dead for the truth, me dead blood clot feet, but me not run from it. Yeah. That's what me stay true. So when him come do that, him just piss me off. I say watch out, waste blood clot, man, yeah. When the night time me I feel literally I call on your blood clot phone. Cause when I go up around about him, I'm count on the 50,000 like game. Him about 5 big pussy girl pan the call her 4. I don't know them. I pay me did tell you, hear one of them ball out. Hear one of them ball out. Me did tell you, I hear the next one. Do one of them mute. You never did blood clot there one at the time. We are walk a search for you. And when the cake for cut, I'm tell you, don't cut it till you come. I'm walk, come around the road, because the boy did the palaver, I'm going to show the clothes I have and you appear up. And when you appear up, you do that. And when me move, you do that. Because the cake never cut until 2 blood clot 11. I've come in my program in trio. I know my program the so cool. Let me know. Me know. When them program the name body boy, him come on internet come portray like a lie me I tell. I hate look confused. I'm a story now change and me I carry till death do my part. Yeah. When you feel like some you change my blood clot story, me not care where you want to post. One at a time I never did it. And when you come with the local blood clots, the slim fair cranny body girl, Marga cranny body girl and the frontal, and them tell you go do that. I miss send for the cake. I miss send Eled for the blood clot cake. Come Mr. Jakes for the blood clot cake there. If you keep at and pussy clot, gonna that piss me off. Him say the cake in your fridge. Him don't know it that tilt in my fridge. I'ma say, Eled, go in my fridge, go look for the cake. Come never know say you cake in there. Me never know say you carry the cake in there. You last time me say, where the cake? I say, no, no. Eled me send for the blood clot cake. Yeah. All him brother will come from Canada call on him phone. All him cause when him Quincy mad the night. Come I say Quincy, you keep party for your blood clot with me. I you know blood clot today. You run some look stirring on some look stinking blood clot, girl. I lick my Charlie car in our blood clot face. They would have that for post. The whole I would have for swarm. I told me no I get myself in a problem. Feel years so me I war over you and me no want you. And that's why me not do it. And you can't style me no day. And you your boy will me piss when you suck pussy like dog. Oh. I mean, I rub the right strap sheet. Because me hear me stinking all over here. The stinking pussy Ivany. Oh, me buy man watch for Christmas. And a big wish list. Fuck out mouth Ivany. When uno a big pan the net, nobody not stop uno. Every time you move, you put up wish list. And a TikTok can pay your rent where you are work. So if TikTok can pay your rent, if TikTok can pay your rent, mine ice and mine your blood clot dog, me supposed to can put up wish list because I have blood clot name. What the problem? Eh? Rotten old Ivany and a TikTok do your teeth, your breasts, and your big stinking body. And a TikTok. When you move all around in a blood clot America and a TikTok parent where you work, you're there foreigner live off a foreigner. So why me supposed to buy a man watch and still beg wish list? When you beg yearns, me not hold an argument with you. When I put up wish list and I beg house item, and I beg for your son, and I beg for even the blood clot, dirty dog when your blood clot house, what did I say? When I take TikTok money and I give the boy for follow you go blood clot surgery, when I want you, when I take the blood clot people them TikTok money and I give blood clot king when I want you for fuck you. Cause uno buy fuck and sell fuck. What the fuck did I say? Me supposed to put up any bomber pussy blood clot wish list. The $1,000 years ago, my mommy's sweetness buy for blood clot ice. We never send it back. TikTok sponsor the whole of blood clot. We saw when TikTok a sponsor me, now you bring your mouth to me. Nyam deadwood girl. I had the only girl, me say so good that it's dying in your mouth. Yankee belly. Hair like combo girl. Fuck out short. You like combo girl. Me supposed to buy the boy any amount of blood clot things I want to buy. Because when you have your urines of mine, your blood clot, man, me no hold no story. You better step on my list today, because today are the wrong blood clot day. After next year, the wrong year. Because I'm not making no walk. Palm me over counting on a secret for me. Me supposed to beg any bumper pussy. No wala we a beggar. When you use your one hand do your teeth, your thinking breast, and your dirty body we a drop a go we have to put a lipo shot in a woman. I think that do the whole of your body. I put in a fiber right now in a rent worries. We are worried about. We are blood clot worry about. Thinking that we are worried about. Me see you put up wish list and I buy your dog all color. You beg TikTok for buy your dog all a dark color. What me did say? When you put up phone wish list, it's okay. Cause you want to beg. But when Rose put up fear one shot the worst thing. Suck cocky Ivany was suck both organs. Members say me only not share the same gift as. Can anybody wanna like you? Anybody wanna like me? Can stay over your side. Anybody wanna like you can come here so. And the wish say your problem, yes, the people buy it. 1, 2 when you did blood clot put up your wish list. Rotten wall. When mommy sweetness buy ice, the ears for toes, like whenever they send it blood clot back. Remember TikTok mind the whole away. Cause we have platform. You want to live out of people. You at TikTok I pay your 5-bedroom house, right? So why the fuck me can't beg wish list? You know bad mind that's no problem. Bad mind now no problem. Cause you don't feel like say you forget every single thing that they put on TikTok. I remember when I have digital footprint that's so good I mean I have none. So no more than me. Oh? Y'all buy what them no born with. Y'all buy what them no blood clot born with. Remember when I have digital footprint that's so good I mean I have blood clot none. So if my supporters say Rosealee make a wish list we will buy it. Why not? I want for them over here, I say do it and not cost no problem. And when meet a problem, y'all buy wood for suck. And you pay the little boy for fuck you and suck your fuck out your big thinking pussy and you want to suck him dead out. How not buy one no band with. I think that money make you buy one no band with. Because you're the only guy so the teeth, breast and back and man not stay with you. In 100 million blood clot here. After the big pussy rangat, come on, me ignorant today, you know. For the big fuck out more pussy rangat tang them talk about if me can't left Jakes. Wanna not tell Jakes to mind him pitney, then me leave the suck hole. Mind your youth. Send the message. When I mind your youth, I shall leave because I don't want you. The boy now mind him pit me in a neck back. The boy now mind him pit me. I got some more. Jakes now mind him pit me a stand up in the neck. Yeah. And anything you can next girl, I see you. And them one argument with me. Make sure them can't fight. Cause when I talk about put them in things, I don't wanna. Girl want an argument with me. All your mama figure beat me. I'm a serious. You prepare for it. I don't know about them. No. When I talk about put maintenance, I want you and your big pussy mama quell. Come on, me and you fuck and get them and not them. Oh. Yeah. Roma argument. Roma is soon if a Roma argument. I want white job, never wipe my face. Yeah. When me I talk about me don't want a girl tell me nothing. Ruth, me don't want a girl tell me nothing. Me don't want a girl come tell me no argument when I talk about me youth them Ruth. Ruth are the mother face and when me talk about me youth them, me don't want a girl in a chat with me. The one of them I can talk about come off of Jakes now when Jakes start minding pitney, then me shall leave him because I don't want him. But a boy now mind him youth, a strictly war. Oh no, sister, me serious. And so I got caught him and say, yes, sure, and I'm now mind him youth them, I will have to fight. Have to. Yeah. So anytime I don't want me stop pressing at Jake's neck. Just tell Jake say mind your youth them. Them not supposed to shut on because you have all money. Can't buy fuck alone, papa. 2 year bill also never mind the blood clot youth them. Eh? You buy 70,000 worth of clothes, you pay you still one back 50,000 to get your next girl. You mean by who feels it, blood clot knows it. The look of some pussy boy come here so they come talk about you know how you putting them eat like say well and say yeah hey I do know. What you mean by even know how my put them eat? I want my name for them band to know you. You just start all money. As someone not pay hypocrite over here. You just start all money. You just start all money. I want my name for them band. But just want, I say last time I don't want him to say something to me. You never know me I said for you. I say you think you got trigger me yet? Ramp with me. Ramp with me. Ramp with me. Who am I name for them band? Our TikTok help me up with them with all them schooling. Find them band and me I got town go walk in the sun and mind them. Some of them know some look on young pussy boy come talk about. If me know all my pit me like you know them blood clot it. What you talk about? No? One to when them a 0 months, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, 9 months, 10 months, up to 1 year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Them a 10 and 8. I seen September month in the star wall money. So how dare you come on the blood clot and talk about a blood clot about? Me don't know how my people them eat. You know them eat? Remember your name pussy so you know how you eat. You know how them eat? John Crow? You ever buy a tin of feed yet? You ever buy baby clothes yet? I seen Shanta reach 10-year-old buy a pair of shoes. So pussy boy. Somebody know who? Hey, me say. It does grieve me why me I tell you say. Why me I tell you say Jaja God. Why me I tell you say to road they would even understand. I don't say my mother cause you're a long time veteran over your road. It's just that people now say, but you're a long time veteran over your road. It's come like say you would even understand. Me I tell you, honestly. Sure. Yeah. Who you not understand? You not understand road. It's like I can't bother. You don't understand food. I know the chill, you just not understand. You don't understand road. Road, you just not understand. And sometimes when I come here, come chat, I better me just leave certain argument alone because when you not understand, I don't want to get, but I don't know. What I don't know. You just not understand. Come here, I tell you, say. What you not understand, come here, I tell you, say. Sometimes I just say some people just hurt me in life, bro. It just hurt me, bro. Come here to take a company that come ask me. Me not know how my pit eat. Like, me say all me attack last night, me just want chicks answer blood clot me. You never know? You know, sometimes what the ending result is, yeah, I try to just look like it just a feel. I just some feel. Me I try to just look at me I feel. Me I try and just look like say me a blood clot feel. Because people have a common sense. What I said, Jakes? For you said those for you said those words. For you said those words, we don't want to hear nothing more for you. We just know so you want to text a pay a big man if look a clout off her. Because you not work. You not work. You're not working. So we're not going to come on the net and say that statement. It triggered the last part of my vine. All the fuck you going to come talk to me, don't know how my people them eat. Batty boy. Nyamol. Piss in them out. Drink come. Push finger in a battle and suck it off. How dare you come on the internet come talk that? Me I feel, man, because you see these people around me. I don't know why them come around me. And that's the truth. I don't know why them come around me. And that's the blood clot truth. And that's the truth. I don't know why they even here. But that's why I wake up a man and the whole of them disappear from out of my sight. I don't want to see them. You don't understand. How dare you? When I'm pregnant with Shanta, I'm pregnant with Shanta, the amount of hunger me bear. Hey, I tell you, say sometime in a life. Sometime in a life, Jinx never know how much. That's why I say, I want to stop buckle up my feelings with people. When I come out to certain people, when I come out to people, I want to stop buckle up my feelings. Come here and tell you, say, you see in a life, you see when you buckle up your feelings, you push over the limit. Because just when I'm pregnant with Shanta, you never buy a soap. Just when I'm pregnant with Shanta, you never buy a blood clot soap. Auntie Swanna used to take care of me with pass off. And my auntie send money from England and buy every bumbo clot thing. I mean, pad, salve, baby this, 90, every blood clot thing. The two main supporters me having in my life was Auntie Sonia and blood clot my Auntie Afarin. The two main supporters me have you never buy shit. You have never buy a fucking. I say boy if ever come I say I just die for him just want you say something to me. Just say it, just do it. Yeah. I'm fed up now. You're too fucking lie, brother. You have never buy not even a receiver. Never buy a receiver. Never. Auntie Sonia will pass off and gone. And my auntie me say a foreign. And that's why I can't trust mankind. Because if I just come my feet, turn out to be a dollar dagger to my blood clot. So I can't trust people. Yeah. The banjeks for me blood clot feed. And I'm telling you, said, where are you running to now? Don't buy the answers that feed you. Look at just my blood clot feed. You can't tell me, you can't look at me and tell me, say, me know my pit them eat. Sure. You can't look at me and tell me, say, me know my pit them eat. Boy. You can't look at me and tell me, say, me don't know my pit them eat. That is impossible. Because you don't start all money. She don't know why pit them eat. Boy. The things that we do, at the end of the world, we go for people. Sometimes I literally pick up people and put them before me and put myself last. I reach a point in my life where I put Jakes first and put me second. And this is my ending result. If Jakes ever in an argument with me, I just want him to say something to me. It's like I class him, but I just want him to say something to me. Just see me and go like he even want to lick me. I you hear the rat tight. Come here, plan for you, you know. Oh. Me a plan for you. But that's why you see me and say something to me. Like when I was a dab upon you, but that's why you see me and open your mouth to me when the live lock off. You better hold your head straight. You better hold your head straight. I tell about the people them way around and the people them and how them do these things, and then when they sit and do these fucking blood clot things, them go on like say all we do all along. You know worthy. Me a 32-year-old. Me a 32-year-old and I one thing me have to do a compare tell lie and look cloud. You say Drake should have mind in Pitney, of course me not give him flowers. Then if the man a mind in Pitney, I don't want him. What me argue for? 7,000 people over here. If the man is doing his fatherly duty, I'll do him a post and say, I me no want him. What me argue for? Me must be mad in. Must be mad. Because if a man I take care of Pitney, for the woman them breed off Pitney, because I'm not about the drunkard, the low life drunkard them like type. If your baby father take care of him youth, and you don't want him, what you argue for? I have no reason to argue. So just when I compare, let's make it make sense to me now, please. Make it make sense. I'm going to tell you something, I stop arguing until you do what you have to do. You're going to learn to mind your youth them and not pose on the net. You're going to learn to put your money where your mouth there and not post for the media. Because I don't cap for the media. Never. I'm not cap for this shit. Me not become a false prophet. Me real as fuck. Me not tell lie. Me not hungry. I can come on the blood clot net and turn on my phone and whine. I can entertain my crowd. Me's an entertainer. I can come here and entertain my blood clot crowd from all 8 hours. I'm going to tell me to lie down and still a blood clot talk about things interested. And keep my crowd. Me don't even come on social media come hold an argument with me and fuck you If you feel like say me I look clout after you. If you do your man the duty, what the fuck me a whole argument? You know why you? Make it make sense. Cause someone like going in the comments is gonna chat. If Drake's a man in Pete and Rosealee so she don't want it, why should I argue with it? Make it make sense. Make it make sense. You know why you? I from September, my left, and if me the why when I start football for minutes when I want to come over here, I'm telling you no. You know why you? You know why you? You know why you? You know why you? You know why you Papa Bear? Because when my man them come through. You know why you? So if me no blood clot why you? Why the fuck? Me attack about pitney maintenance. I'm like a big pussy girl. I come talk about one. Me know why you? Mind a youth. I'm gonna stop arguing him until he mind him blood clot youth. There's many ways to hang a dog and right now me I hang him right through. Don't fuck up. Pussy don't fuck up. So when you gonna tell me say me I sit up on the net and talk about Jets because I want to bring him down. And me I look clout. Jets me bigger than you. You come back come see me. No clout. When you come out to you, there's no clout. 50-50 round the cut and me leave you alone. As I start minding youth and do what you have to do, me not for hold no argument with you. I'm gonna need for bring him to no quote crazy because what? When we the fuck I met them, no courthouse never did it. Look, you know, tell him the truth. You say a big pussy Ivany, rotten what? She not tell her friend the truth. Come mind the youth them. Cause some blood clot all in her mind ice. That's why I can't like her. Cause she was sitting with Jakes and Eggman and I tell Jakes the truth. Go and mind your youth. Big old girl, that's why I can't like you. And that's the only reason why I don't like you. And you can always stroll. Come know your life sad in a foreign. Come know when you talk about gift for those bad mind, the bad mind. Cause no man never get not even a sweetie for your brother. You buy all of your man them with TikTok money. Until somebody send them now, you send it yourself. Tell a friend go mind him youth. They can throw it from last year to this year. Cause a sad girl can't me feel no type of way. How long time you sad? But you not tell him go and mind your youth. Mind your pitney. You have all money now. Jakes come to think. She don't say Jake come to think of it. Maybe you're Rosealee hours to argue with it. You mind your youth them? Because she's always saying that. Mind your youth for me friend. You should stop arguing. Can't tell you troll me, I gotta tell you one thing. Tell a friend for mind him youth. Because we don't say, oh, we can a present come get ice on his birthday. And you buy one scooter like you want little boy for drop and broke all him neck. Because who buy a scooter for a 2-year-old? That's crazy. But we're not going to that. That's crazy. But we're not going to that. Because we don't take parenting different. Tell a friend go mind him youth. A full time now, you have all money. I mean mind you like the girl yard with them there. You draw your money go get $130,000 or $140,000. And don't watch what me I do or what me I make. Cause all Jakes do I still gonna watch what me I do or what me I make. And there's no one up in that. Go and mind the youth. Simple. We never argue because me move on long time. Come couldn't take you back and you beat woman like dog. Come on your blood clot youth. Yeah. Let us the blood clot shoot. I mean, when the other show me on blood clot, say well, you know. Chat of enter the blood clot ranks at all mean and blood clot necessary. Yeah. Yeah. By all means, I just enter the ranks. Come on, the blood clot youth. I like a soda you want for suck or a pussy. Come on, the youth. Put up your 100, maybe put up my 100. And when me breathe the last 2 times, I never care because me never capable of it. And that's why I never carried. Me loyal, you know. I know some people tell me for pussy. Me loyal down to my teeth. When me wear fake, me not live fake, suko. When me wear fake, me not live fake. Me loyal down to my teeth. You see when them come over here and say me chat the people them. Any one of my friends when me chat, me can't tell you why me say so. Me loyal. I just cause some people run me them not loyal. And when me like you, and I buy my bite. No, me attack, me at 32, next year me at 33. When me like you, and I buy my bite. Or my spirit can't take it no more, you know, because I'll show you. I'll get silent. Because that text me, I come and I look. Because my spirit not taking them more, because you do something when I not approve of. That's so me stay. When me loyal, you know. We're going to do part, we talk about honesty and trust. It's when it's the honesty, everything for me. It's if me a fuck a boy and a boy, me know say, me like your pussy, me a fuck you. Me can't work with him. Him tell me say him like my pussy, and him just a fuck because him like my fuck. That means say where I stand in any occasion in anybody's life, whether me a there, and me a friend, you tell me the truth, me have to work with the truth. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. If me a there, me know so I just stay with the car, me just want some fuck, me can't understand. Don't lie and don't hide the truth. Because when you lie and hide the truth, at that, break us apart. Because I tell you why it break us apart. You have some girl with them being father left them being father gonna take them back. Jake's the one being father we can't take back because Jake's not a loyalty. No loyalty. And the internet end up combo everything. Because I stay upon the old skirt, yeah, so I'm vigilante. I say, watch your pussy, yeah. So Jake mash up him whole 12 year what a relationship and don't even know he mashed up with him own hand. Because you're not a loyalty. Ever sit down with some scrums where ever sit down with some scrums that don't even know about you in a real life. For style me. You think you're trying too hard to get back at me when you can't. You're not loyalty. If you fuck 50 girl and you can get back at me. If you fuck 50 girl and me nah fuck that can't get back at me. Yeah. Come and tell me I say some murder fuck a boy when no say him just want to fuck for me. And that's the truth. Me work with that. The truth is an offense, but not a sin. Me not live a lie. So when you say me delusion, me don't know what I'm talking about. Me never live a lie yet. Me not live fertile because me not Cinderella in a glass of I don't know say baby no. My spirit not take you. Me not that blood clot. Me not that girl, you know. Sometimes me's a born possessive blood clot whore. If my spirit don't take you, you know, I go and tell you. No much gift I come here, I just block them half a period of time because my spirit no blood clot take them. Come and spirit take time, I block you. Yeah, Joseph, I work with spirit take. I want me like a person, I genuinely like them. I like people from my heart, I like people from the whole body. And how you make me feel sometimes I like you. So I know exactly what I talk, but any blood clot way.